Hey guys, Brian here, GNS Logging. This is my new log truck. It is a 1974 Kenworth W925 400 Cummins. It's got 40,000 pound rears. It's a decent truck. I've always wanted an A model Kenworth, so yeah, I think it'll be a good truck. Got a good deal on it. It's got decent rubber on it. Probably gonna sell my Peterbilt. So yeah, got kind of a beat up fender there, but other than that, it's in good shape. There's a better side view of her. Get rid of that ugly fuel tank there. Hey boys, what do you say we crank it up, huh? See what she sounds like. Nice. Sounds damn good. Be a good truck, guys. Alright, let's take a look at the inside of this. It's in pretty good shape. .13 speed. Headliner's not in too bad a shape. Got a nice Bostrom wide ride seat. Good scales, Vulcans. And I love the view looking over this hood. Pretty cool. Grew up looking at this view with my grandpa. Air conditioning. Sweet. Cup holders. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.